My name is Alisha. I am studying in second standard. My topic name is sense organ. Five sense organ. Body.
Five sense organs of the body.
Five sense organ of the body. Number 1, eyes. Number 2, nose. Number 3, tongue. Number 4, ears. Number 5, skin.
I can.
I can see with my eye. I can smell with my nose. I can feel with my skin. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue.
Very good. Thank you.
Very good. Claps મારો જોઈએ.